Hello, everyone. In 2018, we set up the Mindiverse initiative. Since then, we've been offering offline lectures and online videos about mindfulness practice and meditation, hopefully to let more people know the nature of human minds by guiding them to meditate and observe their own mind. How time flies. It's been 1 year already. In the past 1 year, we have organized more than 50 sessions of meditation at Free University Amsterdam and made quite a few videos about meditation and philosophy via YouTube. We found that it's very important nowadays to transfer the mindfulness practice to more people, to let people observe their mind, look within to see how their mind works. We started this initiative based on our own experience of mindfulness and also our witness of all kinds of sufferings happening in this society. There are so many kinds of negativities people are stuck in because their thoughts and also the conflicts between different people. Everyone has a very different reality, and the confrontation is very harsh for all the people. And sometimes, I also been through all kinds of dehumanized situations, which let me rethink my past life. Humanity always goes first, because we are humans, because all kinds of sufferings everyone is going through in one or another. It's been challenging now to be happy to live on this planet. We are endowed with too much information, too many contradicted opinions and viewpoints, and all kinds of brainwashing and influences. And how to find peace and calm is becoming a very urgent task for everyone. That's also one of the mission we have had in Mindiverse, to promote the mindfulness practice, to spread the philosophy of human minds, and let more people awaken to the nature of human minds. So over the past 1 year, what we have done is free to everyone. So we make the event as open as possible to everyone, no matter whether they are the beginners of meditation or they are the adept meditators. They are all welcome to join our session. At the same time, we also invested a lot in the development of the program, including purchase of all kinds of equipment to record videos and audios, also food and other stuff that support the offline sessions and online videos. And all the money comes from our own pocket, and we have no intention to profit from this initiative, because we realize that profiting can be very detrimental to this initiative. We must be very careful not to ruin the purity of this program, to promote well-being rather than making money. However, the whole society is running on the structure of money-making and profiting. And the way we support Mindiverse might not be sustainable enough. That's why I'm inviting you to support this initiative. Your donations, your support will all go to the program itself. In the next couple of months, we will improve the video recording and put a video of the offline lectures on YouTube to make them more accessible to people. And your support will all go to that. At the same time, we still run the program, the offline session, free for everybody. So your support will make it possible and more sustainable. Thank you in advance for all your support. no matter its financial support or only a kind comments. We really appreciate your kindness in supporting this program in one way or another. And finally, we hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy each moment. Our life is a journey. We hope that everyone could steer their life in a peaceful and calm way.